The whole industry is kind of undergoing this shift.
COVID has really changed our world as we know it.
Everybody is using subscriptions probably more now than ever.
Subscription is applicable to almost every kind of product in some way.
What might amount to a permanent change in consumer behavior.
Research probably is more important than ever right now.
The data that is there is tremendous.
There's so many platforms for content to be created now.
It really unlocks different audiences.
It's a game changer.
We've seen reader behaviors change dramatically.
It's been a big acceleration.
So these are examples of companies that took the challenge and turned it into an opportunity.
Since 2011, subscriptions as a segment of e-commerce has grown 100% year over year.
We've seen a ton of growth, especially this year.
Continue to make yourself a more valuable person by doing stuff like this. Congrats to all of you for being here.
Let's engage, let's retain, but more importantly, let's spread positivity through our marketing.
The path to getting where you want to be is in helping other people.
What would it be like for Shayban if they hadn't launched subscriptions?
I'd say it's a high probability that moving to subscription saved our business.